Hey YouTube, how's it going? I'm doing this one on Fast Earners Club. I got an email from these guys. Now if you guys seen a couple of my other videos, you might have heard that I'm a student. So I always look for ways to make money. Uh, Students don't have a lot of time. I don't have a lot of time. So if I can make money quick and it's easy, why not? But I want to do it legally, and I don't like deceiving people or ripping anybody off, taking people's money. So that's why, I try to do these videos and try to be as non-biased as possible, but I like to put in my opinion because if you need to know all the facts. And if something's not worth it for you, I'm gonna let you know why it's not. But at the end of the day, it's up to you. It's up to you what you want to do. I'm just gonna let you know what I found out, what the facts are, and you can make an educated decision. I'll let you know what my opinion is, and if I don't like something, why I don't like it. But at the end of the day, you make up your mind. Now, I can relate to these guys. I'll let you know why in a little bit. But Fast Earners Club, I got this email. I'm not gonna show you the email because that's not smart to show out my email. But I couldn't find a website for these guys. I'm not sure if this is it right here. Well, I googled Fast Earners Club and I came up against a bunch of these videos, scam, scam, scam. Which is it should be a red flag right away. But I go in here and I don't know what it is about you guys out there in YouTube that you guys don't understand this. If you go into one of these MLM videos and they don't tell you what it is that you're getting into, that should throw up a flag. They're gonna shoot you this video, and it's people making all this money, claiming to make all this money, but they don't tell you how. Why would you have to pay to find out what you're getting into? Why don't you tell me right away what it is that I'm getting into? Why do you want my money first? You want my money before you even tell me what it is that I'm supposed to do and how I'm gonna make money. So, I mean, sometimes I sit here and watch some of these videos with some of you guys, and it makes me laugh. You know, most of you guys aren't making the money you say you're making. There's very few of you that are. But it's okay. Everybody does their own thing, you know. But it's up to you guys. Now, this is a video. It's gonna come out. It's taking a while, but this girl comes out saying how she's found the greatest thing in the world. Makes her so much money. Then they got another girl come out saying the same thing. Then there's a guy that comes out, and then the big guy. He comes out telling you this isn't an MLM system. There's no advertising, and he's right. There isn't, and I'll tell you why. But look at this. You try to get out of here, and look, boom, hold on. Stay on the page. If this is so great, why, I shouldn't want to leave. But here it is. I had to pay for it a few seconds ago, but now that I decided to leave, you're giving it to me for free. Why don't you give it to me for free from the beginning? Look at this. Enter your email. Well, I entered my email. What did I get? I got an email response saying, "Don't let this opportunity pass you up. Don't let it pass you up. It's the greatest thing in the world. It's easy. You let it work for you, and you don't have to do anything. You just set it up." Well, what is this thing? It's a binary options trading software. That's what it is. Um, and now you guys are all, some of you guys don't have no idea. Well, it has to do with the market, with the stock market. Uh, the market is open. It's not just stocks. It's commodities and other stuff. There's indexes. There's um, currencies and all that traded on the market. But that's what it has to do with binary option trading. Now, to explain to you binary option trading, well, first of all, why can I relate to this? Well, this is what I'm going to school for. You know, I mean, it's a toss up between either a financial advisor or a stockbroker. I want to be a stockbroker, but I don't know if I could deal with the stress. I don't know if I could deal with, you know, making a bad call and losing someone a lot of money. So that's where that toss up is. I might end up just being a financial advisor and advising people on what they should do. But a stockbroker, you're dealing with people's money, and it's kind of tough. Um, so not all stockbrokers are scumbags like most of you think. And not all Wall Street guys are bad guys. There's a lot of good Wall Street guys out there. But yeah, this is how I know a little bit about this binary options trading. Another thing you have to know. Well, first of all, is this legal? In the U.S., yes, it's legal only with certain brokers. Is this one of them? I don't know. Um, I don't think so, but I may be wrong. This thing, some people believe it's like gambling, and other people believe it's great. Binary options, that they're great. Now to break it down to you, like really, really simple, because to get into this, it's a whole nother monster, and it'll take hours and hours. I mean, there's classes on these things. Um, basically what you do is you deal with the market, and you either put a put or a call on either a stock, commodity, index, currency or whatever, and it's for a short period of time. Now, when I say short, I'm not speaking short in investment terms. I'm speaking short in time terms, as for a short amount of time. Um, so you either you put a put or a call. You long or short something. You either bet whether it goes up or down, and it's for a short period of time. Um, and if you get it right, you get a good return now, up to 75%. So if you invest $50, and you get it right, you get 87 back. And it could have happened in a matter of couple minutes, couple seconds. And you could do this over and over and over all day long as the market's open. And people say this is highly addictive. Um, so do I recommend this? Well, first of all, if you don't know anything about investments, don't even try to get into this. Do your research first, uh, and find out about binary options. Get advice from professional investment people, and advisors. Get advice from an advisors. Do your research. Don't just get into this just because this video said it's the greatest money making thing in the world. No, you're dealing with the market. If you lose, another thing is, if when you put one of these options out there, if you lose your money, all of it. There are some brokers that'll give you a small cut back, very small percentage. Um, but for the most part, if you don't get it right, you lose. And who are you going to complain to? It's the market. If you lose, there's nobody to complain to. There's no refund policy. That's it. You lost it. Um, Now this is what I mean. Binary options, regulated and legal in the U.S. It's only certain brokers that could do this, because the U.S. For the most part doesn't like this. But there's investors that want to do it. Would I do it? Probably not, because you really can't predict the market. Anybody out there that says they can is flat out lying. Nobody could predict the market. Not a lot of people predicted '08. There's some that did, but the majority didn't. Or else not that many people would have lost. And you know, you can't predict it. And like I said, this thing is for a short amount of time. For example, if you invest in Apple, right now, Say today was like 3 in the afternoon, or no, I'm sorry, like 11 in the morning, and you invested in Apple right now, and you're predicting that 2 minutes from now is gonna go up. What if how can you predict that 2 minutes from now Apple might go up? It's impossible. You might be able to predict, 30 days from now, you might think it might go up because of certain products that are coming out, but how can you predict, 5 minutes from now? It's hard. And the reason I don't like it is because, one, I don't really know a lot about it. It's not my cup of tea. I don't, I'm first of all, I don't day trade. Whatever I do invest, since I'm a student, I don't have a lot of money. Whatever, dollars that I have to invest, and I'd like to do penny stocks, something risky, but with that give me a high return, but I'm not gonna go broke over it. That's what I like to do. I have, my own portfolio. I have my funds, that I have, mutual funds. I got a little money market account. I have a diverse portfolio. I'm not a day trader. I don't have that amount of liquidity or the assets to be able to take a hit if I don't get it right. So, do your research before you do anything like this. This is a thing with a Forbes article. Forbes doesn't like it. Now the thing, I'm bringing up Forbes because Forbes is a reliable source. This isn't Wikipedia. This isn't somebody's blog. These are intelligent people, investors, with years and years of experience in the market. And if these guys don't like it, that should throw a flag. Now, can you make money off of this? Yes, you can. If you get it right and you're good, yeah, you can make quite a bit of money off of this. It's like going to the casino. I like to go to the casino, but when I go to the casino, I play blackjack because I have some type of control. And there are people out there that, they're good at predicting stocks, um, but they don't always get it right. You don't. Anybody out there that says that they get it right is flat out lying to you. They don't. You don't always get it right. A good investor, what the way he's good is he gets it right more than he gets it wrong. Basically, at the end of the day, he comes out on top. That's a good investor. Now, investors that invest on their own, there are very few that are successful. I think there's like a 24 success rate for individual investors with no outside influence. So what makes you think that you're going to be the exception? It's very difficult. Now the thing I like about this article is at the end, they said in order for you to even break even in this, binary options, you have to be right 54% of the time to break even. Um, it's more than half because when you get it wrong, you lose it all, for the most part. Um, or you get next to nothing back compared to what you invested. And like I said, these things, they're unpredictable. You can't predict the future. Um, like I said, when I go to a casino, I like playing blackjack. I got control, some type of control. I don't play the slots. I don't play roulette because I can't control anything. It's all up to chance. I don't even like hold'em. If you go all in with pocket aces and the dude has pocket twos, and the last card is a two, you just lost. When all chances said that you were supposed to win. But I don't like it. Here it is, 54% of the time, just to break even. If you want to gamble, that's your choice. Don't confuse it with investing. Binary options are a crapshoot, pure and simple. So anyway, that's that. Be careful, YouTube. Like I said, click on my link. I got a system that it's free. The reason I promote it is because it's free. You don't have to pay anything for it. It can make you some extra cash. Somebody pointed out, yeah, step four asks you to sign up for Empower Network. I don't recommend it because personally I don't like Empower Network. So do it all except for step four. If you want to go ahead and do the whole thing, go ahead. I'm not giving credit for it. Just try it out, check it out. Good luck out there, YouTube, and I hope you guys make money.